Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have on is the Ustyle casual dress. This is in the floral pattern, so it has a black background with these really pretty bright pink and blues and whites. It's a gorgeous dress. I really like that it is very comfortable and stretchy. It has the added bonus of pockets, and that's always super nice to put your phone in, your keys if you're running out somewhere really quick. It definitely comes at about the knee level for me, a little bit below. I'm 5'4", and it is very stretchy. I love this dress because I can quickly throw it on. I can pair it with a black belt or something else. I can pair it with a nice jacket or maybe a denim jacket to dress it down. You can certainly wear this in a variety of ways, with heels, with flats, and really make it work for the occasion that you need it for. So I would highly recommend this dress, and that's my point of view.